Luke just simply needs the guide. Luke needs Yoda. Yoda's got a very important role, but everybody wants to be Luke, right? The point being, here's how we put all of this together. You have some podcast episodes. You're publishing podcast episodes. You're doing podcast episodes. And sometimes you are talking about how your services, your coaching program is like the shit. Your coaching program is awesome. Okay. Because of you're telling your listener, because of my coaching program, all of these people are happy, and you're ruining it. You don't understand the relationship between the hero and the guide. You're pinning a rose on your nose. You're trying to say you're the hero in the story, and that is not relatable to your potential client. What is relatable to your client is the hero's journey, the opposition that they run into, and you are only Yoda, okay? You're not trying to make people say, man, I certainly wished I was your company. I certainly wish I was this coach or this mentor. All you want them to do is say, I can see myself as this client that he or she worked with, and I want those same results. And then they say to themselves, not you pinning a rose on your nose, letting them come to the conclusion that, hey, I've got to hire this person. I've got to work with, for example, I've got to work with Grow Your Show to help me grow my podcast.